Hi, I'm Frank from ButterflyMX's partner team. I'm here today in our New York City office, and in this video, we'll be unboxing and registering our video intercom. Here's our 8-inch Surface video intercom. Flip over the intercom and locate the serial number. Write this number down and hold on to it for later. You'll need it again after the intercom has been installed. You'll also notice on the sides various boxes. We'll open up all of them and show you what comes inside. In this box, you'll find various tools, including a level, anchors, screws, a screwdriver, and relays for the I/O port. In this box, we'll find our 24 VDC power supply. In here, we'll find various accessories for the video intercom. They include a varistor, a diode, the power dongle for the 24 VDC power supply, as well as a key and keychain used for removing the intercom from the backplate. In this last box, you'll find a special tool used for securing and removing the I/O port cover from the intercom. You'll also find the extension cable used for the 24 VDC power supply. And that's how to unbox and register your intercom. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach out to sales@butterflymx.com.